Did you know the path to scientific discovery is often paved with dangerous experiments? Indeed, the quest for knowledge sometimes treads a perilous path. This journey into the unknown is fraught with risks, pushing the boundaries of what is acceptable, and often dancing on the knife edge of ethical dilemmas. Science, a lantern in the dark, can also cast long, unsettling shadows. As we delve into this world of exploration, remember, each discovery, each leap forward, came with a price. Sometimes a price too steep to bear. These were not mere scientific curiosities, but experiments that teetered on the brink of catastrophe. They challenged our understanding of the world and of ourselves, forcing us to confront the chilling question: how far are we willing to go in the name of progress? Now, let's step back in time and explore some of the most dangerous scientific experiments in history. Our journey begins in 1932 with an experiment that would last an astonishing 40 years. Now imagine a study where the subjects are not only uninformed about the full extent of the experiment, but are also denied treatment for their serious, life-threatening condition. That's precisely what happened in the Tuskegee syphilis experiment. Hundreds of African-American men were deceived and subjected to significant harm, all in the name of science. This chilling experiment is a stark reminder of the importance of ethics in science. Next, we travel to the Soviet Union during World War II. In the throes of conflict, the Soviet Union undertook a chilling endeavor: the weaponization of the plague. Harnessing the deadly power of Yersinia pestis, the bacterium responsible for the Black Death, they sought to create a formidable biological weapon. The global threat this posed was immense. Imagine, if you will, a plague outbreak, not confined to one locale, but unleashed intentionally across nations. The catastrophic loss of life it could cause is staggering. This harrowing experiment underscores the destructive potential of biological warfare. Fast forward to the Cold War era and we find ourselves in the midst of Project MKUltra. This clandestine operation, driven by the CIA, was aimed at developing mind control techniques through a variety of means, including the administration of drugs like LSD. Unwitting participants, often plucked from society's marginalized sections, were subjected to these experiments, enduring severe psychological trauma. The human cost was immense and the ethical boundaries breached were countless. Project MKUltra serves as a grim example of science manipulated for political gain. Now let's delve into the depths of the Earth with the Kola Superdeep Borehole. A product of Cold War curiosity, this Soviet engineering marvel reached over 7.5 miles into the Earth's crust, becoming the deepest artificial point on our planet. However, it wasn't without its risks. The borehole brought about seismic concerns, as scientists worried about the potential for triggering earthquakes or releasing harmful gases. Despite the tantalizing mysteries it promised to unlock about our planet's interior, the Kola Superdeep Borehole was a gamble. This experiment reminds us that even the Earth beneath our feet can be subjected to potentially hazardous scientific endeavors. Our final stop takes us to the cutting edge of modern science, the Large Hadron Collider. This behemoth of scientific innovation buried deep beneath the Swiss-French border has been a source of both awe and fear. The collider's purpose? To recreate conditions just moments after the Big Bang. Yet the fear is tangible. Critics warn of risks like the creation of miniature black holes, potentially swallowing up our very existence. Despite the doomsday scenarios, the collider buzzes on, relentlessly probing the secrets of our universe. Despite the risks, the Large Hadron Collider continues to push the boundaries of scientific discovery. These dangerous experiments have left indelible marks on the pages of history. The Tuskegee syphilis experiment was a stark reminder of how scientific curiosity, when stripped of empathy and ethical considerations, can lead to dire consequences. Hundreds of African-American men were left untreated for syphilis, all in the name of research, causing immeasurable suffering and death. Then there was the Soviet Union's audacious attempt to weaponize the plague. This showed us the terrifying potential of science used for destructive purposes and the catastrophic fallout it can have on humanity. Project MKUltra, a covert operation by the CIA, delved into the dark side of mind control. This chilling endeavor displayed the lengths to which entities will go to manipulate human behavior under the guise of national security. The Kola Superdeep Borehole, while an impressive feat of engineering, raised seismic concerns. It served as a warning of the possible environmental repercussions when we tamper with the very fabric of our planet. The Large Hadron Collider, the world's largest and highest energy particle collider, stirred fears about the formation of black holes and the potential destruction of Earth. This reinforced the importance of understanding and mitigating risks associated with pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. In each of these cases, the quest for knowledge was overshadowed by the potential and actual harm caused. These episodes from our past underscore the importance of ethical considerations in scientific research. Science, as a force for good, can also be a force for destruction when driven by unchecked ambition, political motives, or disregard for ethical norms. It's crucial that as we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, we do so with a keen awareness of the possible consequences, both intended and unintended. As we continue to explore the frontiers of knowledge, let's remember the lessons from these dangerous experiments, so history does not repeat itself.